The development of civilization has brought us into the reinforced concrete encirclement. Hiplant has brought us green notes. Let us enjoy a turbid world full of spring. Hiplant integrates a variety of functions to protect our health and contributes to our health. She moved nature into the room. Plants continue to provide us with fresh oxygen. The air is cleaner, body and mind more comfortable. She is an intelligent humidifier, medical-grade ultrafine particle water fog. Non-wet table, not wet hands. Air humidity is just right. She is a negative ion air purifier, decomposing odours, improving air quality, and refreshing. She is a strobe-free eye lamp to protect our eyesight. She is a hi-fi speaker. Let us slow down the pace of life. Enjoy the beauty of music. Face the sun. Embrace a good mood, all because of you. Hiplant.